This is a starfish bangle with the more than 100 gram of the gold, 42 carat of the diamond, 22 carat of the ruby, and almost 33 carat for the tourmaline. 3 kind of stone with the 18 karat gold. It's very beautiful bracelet for the using for the beautiful lady. This is starfish bangle.
Patrick the starfish. Mahal pala niya.
Guys, nandito tayo sa Gold Souk, no? Bibili tayo ng pang-regalo natin. Tingnan natin kung saan tayo kung makakakuha ng ano dito. Kasi dito lahat yung mga gold sa area to ng Dubai. Gold Souk kung tawagin siya, no? Old Dubai. Hanap tayo.
Same 18. This and this size same.
Really?
Yeah. It's not you.
Naghahanap kami ng ano, guys, naghahanap kami ng pang birthday gift kay Conscientia. Dito kami. What the name of this?
GBS.
GBS Jewelry dito sa Old Souk, Dubai.
Yeah.
Ayan. Ito, pinakikita pa niya. GBS.
See,
If I get big discount, I will take it.
100% we give you big discount.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.
Guys, mamimili tayo ng dito kasi kulang pa yung dito. Like the gold? Here in GPS Jewelry. You're the one that invite them.
Yes, my friend, you come here, we have best price. You come anytime, we have best discount, mora regalo. We can do it for you.
There's no Tagalog law. Guys, hinihintay lang natin yung ano, kasi pinaano natin, no, modify natin kasi medyo maliit siya sa akin. Kaya dito gumagawa na rin sila, no. They making things here, the size. If the size is big or small, no, they can immediately repair. How much this one?
110,000.
Ito 110,000 dirham. It's more than 1.6 or 1.7 million sa Pilipinas.
4.15 karat diamond.
4.15 karat diamond.
Single.
Grabe, million na pala to. Million pesos. What about this? This one is there's a lot of good here.
This is only gold.
This is gold.
Cost 8,500 dirham.
8,500 dirham. Mabigat siya. It's heavy, no?
This is
heavy.
specially customized for our factory. This one.
18 karat, yeah.
Yes.
It's more than 130,000 pesos.
Game.
So guys, ito yung napili natin. Ito kasi ito yung nagustuhan namin ito dati pa. Nagustuhan niya to. Pero hindi ko lang pinapansin. Actually, puro gold yun. Ngayon, ang nakuha ko, mayroon siyang silver. I mean, white gold. Kumbaga, 2 color siya. So, pababalot na natin. Okay. At syempre, may extra dito. May nakabiling isa. Ewan ko. Sumakit ang ulo ko. May extra pa.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.
Guys, ito yung yung gold bar. Pwede tayo mag-invest dito. Ito 1 gram lang to, may 2.5, may 3 grams. Ngayon, ito to, bago may certificate to, wala na tong service charge. Oh, kaya lang meron tong certificate charge. O halimbawa, binili mo siya ngayon ng 500 dirham. Next month tumaas ang gold. Pwede mo siya ibenta. So tutubo ka. So ito yung pinaka-advice nila na gawing investment in terms of gold buying, no? So how about the people? There's a lot of people buying this type
This
of
one,
bar.
yes. Yesterday I have 3 piece like this in the big I sell yesterday. Same like this. See, this one.
Okay. So, guys, ito maganda talaga to. Ito rin to ang binibili ko. Kaya lang ang mga pa 2 grams lang, 1 gram, 3 grams. Pag tumaas ang gold, ibenta mo bigla. Pag bumaba ulit, bumili ka ulit. Ganun lang 'yon. Okay?
It's going 1860. $100 go down
Okay.
yesterday. Then again go up.
So you have to know this time, no?
Yeah. Then you earn some money. When it go down, buying.
Yeah.
When go up, immediately go and sell. So you earn maybe every day 200 dirham, 300.
Okay guys, we're done. Makabili na tayo. Uuwi na tayo. Malalate na tayo. Uuwi na si Konsensya. Makabili na tayo, no? Doon dito sa Sanol. Babalik tayo dito guys. Pakikita na natin dito yung lahat ng ating mga ginagawa dito. Madali lang tayo dahil kasi pinagawa pa natin pinaayos natin ng konti kasi medyo maliit. Okay? So,